Hello and welcome to the Bronco News. My name is Christy Fitzgerald from Mr. Mercier's 6th grade class. Some train cars carrying Egypt security recruits derails, killing 19 people and 107 were injured. A cannon from the Revolutionary War was found with gunpowder and cannonball in New York. Some heavy rain floods parts of India. A lot of kids from all over are sending paper snowflakes to all the kids who experienced the shooting in Connecticut to help comfort them. U.S. says 3 to 7 Americans are among hostages taken by terrorists in Algeria. A horse-drawn carriage delivery service was started to deliver groceries with a 1935 carriage and a 17-year-old horse named Don in upstate Maine. Now to Erin with Classroom News.
Thank you, Christy. Now for what we did last week. In reading, we read Silent Army. In grammar, we are learning about linking verbs. In social studies, we watched America's Story of Us, took notes, and had a quiz. In science, we had a quiz, took notes, and had a test Thursday on soil. In math, we were dividing decimal by decimals. In spelling, we worked on packets. Now for reminders. The end of the second marking period is Thursday, January 17th. There is no school January 18th. There was a Chapter 2 science test on the 17th on soil. I hope you didn't forget to study. Now back to you, Christy.
Thank you, Erin. Now to Evan with weather.
The current weather is sunny with -3 degrees and -20 degrees with wind chill. Today in the west it will be -2 degrees and in the east it will be 8 degrees. Tonight in the west it will be -15 degrees and the east will be -1 degrees. On the current weather map it shows frigid Arctic winds coming from Canada, coming into the United States. The high pressure system won't let any of the low pressure system in, so it's very cold. Almost all of the USA is experiencing cold weather except for the southern part of Texas and Florida. On our 6-day forecast, we have a high average at 6 degrees, Wednesday at 11 degrees, Thursday and Friday at 16 degrees, Saturday at 17 degrees, and Sunday at 24 degrees.
Thank you, Evan. Now to Brandon with this week's sports.
Thank you, Christy. Now let's talk about sports. The Atlanta Falcons are facing the San Francisco 49ers on Sunday. Also, the New England Patriots are facing the Baltimore Ravens on Sunday. Mark River Harris girls basketball team rank has moved from 882 to 4,619. JV plus varsity girls basketball is 01-28,113 at 6 o'clock p.m. and it's at BR8 School. NC State knocked off Land States a perfect in the ACC. Devils re-signed Zagged for 8 years, $116 million. Now, Christy, back to you.
Thanks, Brandon. Now to Maggie with this week's entertainment.
Thank you, Christy. Now, new movies releases are Mama, Broken City, The Last Stand, and Love. Recently, I haven't watched any movies, but they all sound good. Moving on to top 5 Billboard hits are first, Locked Out of Heaven by Bruno Mars. Second is Diamonds by Rihanna. Third, I Knew You Were Trouble by Taylor Swift. Fourth, Ho Hey by the Lumineers. Fifth, Thrift Shop by Macklemore and Ryan Lewis, featuring Wands. Now moving on to top 5 box office chart movies. They are first, Zero Dark 30, second, A Haunted House, 3, Gangster Squad, fourth, Dingo Unchained, and Les Miserables. They all sound great. Now moving on to question, Christy.
Thanks, Maggie. Remember to do your homework also if you want to send snowflakes to Sandy Hook Elementary in Newtown, Connecticut. Have a great weekend.